Guys, welcome back to our channel. How to withdraw money from Cryptomania. So just launch, and right over here, as you can see, there is a $5,000 balance in my Cryptomania account. And the truth is that there is no option for withdraw. So this is a trading simulator app. You will just have to practice right over here, like invested auction, lucky ball. You just have to play games and just earn the money. But this is the scam money. So you'll just have to also Google it and just write how to withdraw money from Cryptomania. So it will say that you cannot withdraw real money from Cryptomania because it is a trading simulator for practicing crypto trading, not a platform for real money transactions or winning cash prizes. So that's the truth. In this way, you'll just have to withdraw money from Cryptomania. So that's it. Thank you so much.